What are you doing here?
Let me check on my wife.
Yeah.
Besides, something nice smells here. What's going on?
Well, it's nothing. I'm just experimenting with new spices, you know, just a different way to cook rice.
Are you serious? See, this is one of the many reasons I say that you are the best. For a very good wife always finds different ways to make her husband happy, you know what I'm saying?
Yes. And a good husband does the same.
But I've been trying. I'm trying. Your happiness is my business. And I promise you that I'll never disappoint you, right?
Thanks for the kind words, babe. Now, go and get ready and allow the lady do her thing.
But what if I choose not to go?
Babe.
Yeah.
You told me you had an appointment.
Oh yeah, I remember I said that, but there's nothing as beautiful as, having a moment with your woman. I was saying.
Yeah, I agree.
You can take one here.
Babe, go and get ready. Okay, I'll set the table. Okay, go!
Let's take one.
Go! My food was bored. Go!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.